Yes, brother! Brother!
I mean, I was shooting the guy, you just ran straight out, so...
I obviously can push him, he's taking a gun!
Yeah, that's why I was shooting him because he was taking a gun.
出去啦屌
21 how? How is that possible?
Very fun lah, very fun.
Good
Yeah,
fucking fucking out, bro. That's so sharp, bro.
this shit's so fun, bro. Everybody farming damage. Oh, I'm so blind, I'm so fucking blind. No!
I was trying to show you, but I was so blind, bro.
I take one. Nice. Nice! No.
What the fuck is this? Bro, what the fuck is this?
Stay alive.
It
Don't
makes
pick,
me
don't
so
pick, don't
angry.
pick. Yeah. Go. Car.
Car, I think.
Hey, he's on side.
Side, run.
He's on side, you can walk already.
Car.
In.
Bro, this gun is so good. This gun is so good. What the fuck is this?
Hold on.
He's gonna change his loadout point.
Same thing,
The
bro.
revolver wall.
Hey, guys, 5 people go on top of silo, bro.
Okay.
I don't think we have space to aim, dude.
Okay, trust. That's our, bro, this is the chance, bro. This is our one chance. Get out!
Master latte! Ah!
I wanna fight, where? I cannot see! What's this?
Hi.
Come on! Yeah! Oh, one shot! Right. One shot, come on! Yeah!
Check behind
You can change revolver, we got 4 bullets.
Check behind you or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't jump, you just walk off next time. Or you want to jump, you need to land on top of the ventilator. Behind.
You hit once.
Oh! Let's go!
Easy.